Hello and welcome to this preview of CXC Math Exam Preparation Checklist. Yes, we've created this checklist to enable you to quickly and easily prepare for your CXC exam in mathematics for you to achieve math success. This exam preparation will allow you to be ready for your exam. First, we cover exhaustively all of the 10 categories in the CXC syllabus, as you can see on your screen, from consumer arithmetic right down to school-based assessment, functions, statistics, coordinate geometry, and so on. And you can rate your current ability, yes, your current ability on each one of these major categories. Say, for example, algebra. Do you rate yourself as a 1, struggling or with very limited knowledge of algebra? Or a 5, very good in scoring marks, top marks in algebra, or in sets or geometry and so on? You can pause the video at any time to read the contents on your screen about the author, the creator of this program that won the Guyana Innovation Prize in 2023. The program was exclusively sponsored by GT&T so that we are able to bring this digital content to thousands of Guyanese students struggling in mathematics. You can learn more about the author of the program on LinkedIn, or visit my YouTube channel, or contact us via WhatsApp. You can consider our exam preparation checklist as the CPR or first aid kit for mathematics. It will bring you up to speed for mathematics. We won the prize, Innovation Prize 2023, sponsored by GT&T and managed by the Economic Development Fund, the USAID. So what makes Click and Learn different? Well, pause the video and read more and see what users of our software say about our software or digital e-learning content. Improve your digital literacy. Improve your digital literacy at the same time mastering mathematics. Many students call our program the Rosetta Stone for mathematics because we present mathematics visually through colorful and engaging illustrations and dynamic illustrations on your screen. So you retain more of what you see, hear, and do. All modules include, for example, video lessons, interactive quizzes, past exam reviews, personalized attention one-on-one teaching, digitally step-by-step explanations, lots of practice, track your progress, exam preparation, covers the curriculums based on the syllabus, and you have flexible learning time. You can study anytime, anywhere, and get top marks. Yes. How did you hear about us? Well, you can indicate that by clicking one of these radio buttons, friend, radio, or television. We cover all the major categories. You can track your progress, first season, first session, first day, 3 weeks, 1 month, first term. Track your progress. Read what users of our program say about our software. Get yesterday or locations there. Now this study guide, this exam preparation checklist covers the topic measurement in CXC syllabus. You get a conceptual understanding of measurement, unit of conversions, SI units, perimeter, estimation, and so on. Check off each box as you progress. Formulas and theorems, measurement practical applications, solve word problems involving perimeter example, fencing a garden, area calculations, unit conversions, all covered for you. We make it easy for you. We have done the heavy lifting so you can breeze through the whole exam preparation checklist quickly and easily. And you learn, as I mentioned earlier, two engaging videos. Each is about 5 to 10 minutes, long or short, depending on how you view it, that enables you to cover in depth, for example, angles of triangles and quadrilaterals, introducing quadrilaterals, areas of quadrilaterals, area and perimeter, problems related to quadrilaterals, timed, and so on. Dozens and dozens of videos, worked examples where you show you step by step how to do conversions and so on, step by step. Lots of worked examples. Excuse, area of circles. Lots of worked examples. So you have a rock solid foundation to do well at your mathematics. 10 worked examples with more videos, sample video tutorials on your screen, measuring tools, dynamic illustrations on your screen using measurement tape, using a measuring tape, example, more videos. In addition to videos, you have multiple choice questions to, for you to check your understanding of the concepts, principles, and processes. Unit conversion. What is 2.5 kilometers squared in meters? In square meters. Is it A, B, C, or D? You record your answer and then check the results. Lots and lots of stuff for you to. Answers are provided, but those answers you can check and rate your performance. So that's just a quick preview or overview of our exam preparation checklist for measurement. As I mentioned earlier, we've done it for each of the 10 categories in the CXC syllabus. So we have you covered and you have a rock solid foundation to do well at mathematics. Enjoy.